Hey, it's Chris Pierce with the PR Properties Real Estate Group at Century 21 In-Town Realty, here to present to you another amazing new listing. Unit 571 at 8258 207th A Street, right in the heart of Willoughby Heights in Langley. This incredible 3-bedroom, 1,500 square foot unit features a generous sized patio, air conditioning, 2 parking stalls, and 2 storage lockers. And in this amazing neighborhood, you're close to the highway and all of the incredible amenities Langley has to offer. It is fantastic.
Hey, Chris.
Oh,
how's it going?
Mike. Good, how are you?
Did you know this unit has 2 floors?
Get out of here.
And 3 bathrooms.
3 bathrooms, 2 floors, it's a townhouse in the sky.
Let's go check it out.
You gotta get in there.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today and watching this video.
Please don't hesitate to contact us anytime. We're excited to show you this listing. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Perfect.